I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how have I changed, how I really don't care. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. All we ever do is laugh while I'm sleeping, I don't know why.
TT
You
whip.
remember that
TT
night
whip.
we met? Thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. Looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows with you.
I'll give you a red bottle, Andy. I'll give you a red bottle.
Much at all here in this small town, 'cause in the end we're all buried deep inside the same hole in the ground.